crypto lifestyle, baby. And we have breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Base Protocol has overtaken for the #1 trading volume on Uniswap. As you can see right here, guys, this is mind-blowing. In a matter of about 3 to 4 days, Base Protocol, a brand new project that launched on Uniswap, has overtaken every single pairing for the largest trading volume on this damn decentralized exchange. So I am going to get to a much bigger point than this. This is a milestone, a very huge milestone. Projects could only dream of this for a second. To even be there for a second, Base Protocol is here to stay, and they ain't going anywhere, guys. So as you see right here, this is a quick video, by the way. I gotta head out with the family, but I just hopped down the studio to get this to your attention. Look at it, it's right here. Alright, and if we go to the analytics, I'm getting to a bigger point here. This is the analytics over here. This is how it just grew over time, exponentially growing over time, the trading volume. As you can see, they have 1,296,000 base tokens, 3,000 Ethereum. Liquidity pool is healthy. If you are not in the liquidity pool, you are leaving some serious money on the table. Do you know how much money I am going to make in this trading fees? So I showed you guys the rebase factor and all that, and we're making really nice money there. But could you only imagine this amount of fees, how much we're going to be making? Look at that, $87,000 in the span of 24 hours. It's up over 1,000%. So I made a video showing you guys how to utilize the Cascade platform. So it's over here. What you need to do is you need to add your liquidity first, and I've also showed you guys how to do this, okay? And by the way, look at this. We're going to be banking more coin on the rebase factor. Base is at $1.47, guys, and it's only going to get healthier. It's only going to get stronger from this point moving forward, okay? Once again, to add liquidity, you click this pool button, click the add liquidity, you choose your pairing. So in this case, obviously we want base, so we go with base, and it's ETH. It has to be 50-50. So just buy your base, put it there, put your ETH there. You're going to not only make money from the large freaking trading volume, the largest trading volume on Uniswap. That is incredible. That, like, I never thought I would have ever said that about Base Protocol, but yet here we stand 4 days later after launch. It indeed is the largest trading volume, man. Base ETH is outweighing Ethereum USDT. What am I seeing this correctly? Yes, I am. So guys, look, the point of this is to bring this to your attention. This video is to bring this to your attention. But furthermore, how could you take advantage of this situation here? How could you get piece of this market share? Well, this is how you do it. Add liquidity like I did on day one. Guys, I can only imagine how much money I made in the trading fees. Okay, when I was doing research, you guys know I do a lot of liquidity pools videos. I was looking for ones that has the highest yield, or, you know, ROI, and sure enough, rebase platforms were at the top. At the time, it was Ampleforth, and right now, today, it's Base Protocol. So congratulations once again for the people who have already added their liquidity. And not only would you be making money from the trading fees, which is a shit ton, which is obviously the most, like, as a liquidity provider, you want massive trading volume, and we have the most trading volume on this beautiful exchange we know as Uniswap. Furthermore, the other benefits is once you hand them your LP tokens here in the Cascade section, okay, you're gonna have to come to Cascade after you did that. Well, we don't want to put that there. After you did that, it's still a nice hefty 150% APY. You would also be getting Base Protocol tokens along with the trading fees, okay? So you need to submit your LP tokens after you added liquidity to the ETH-based pairing, guys. We are making money left, right, and center. You know what I say, though? This is not a recommendation to buy, hold, or sell. This is what I'm doing. Do your own research and all that kind of stuff, okay, guys? But this is mind-blowing, man. Base Protocol is going to be the talk of the town, and to me right now, it's one of the best projects in 2020. Straight up, okay? I have no other reason to, like... I'm just telling you guys what my eyeballs are seeing over here. Anybody with 2 eyeballs could see the same thing. Once again, take advantage of this. Take advantage of this, guys. Take advantage of this. And to be honest, the liquidity is nice, but that is still very small for this amount of trading fees. So the people who already added their LP tokens to the Cascade, or if you're contributing liquidity, man, you are making some serious money outside of, where is it? Outside of this bad boy going up in value, which I could actually just, let me go back here. Sorry, swap. Let's just see the last price before I end this video. I didn't want you guys to really, man, I don't want you guys to really miss out on that action, man. It's very important that you might want to consider adding liquidity if you want to make money on top of making money, which is the rebase, you know, on top of that. Okay, so what is the price? 150, 144, give or take. You know, this is up and down. I see another super hefty positive rebase, which means what? Our wallets are getting fatter and fatter, guys, and the liquidity is growing. Everybody's making money. That's what this ecosystem's about. So if you have any other questions, I highly recommend you check out my interview I did with Nick, who's the co-founder. We have timestamps below. If you want to know how to do this and add it to the Cascade, I've also done a video for that. I would leave the card for that here, okay, guys? So do enjoy your weekend. Happy rebase, and let's go bank that coin.